So we start off today's video with one of the hottest hair trends that we're going to be seeing this spring, and that is a finger wig pixie. So what I love about this particular hair trend is that it is a great way to jazz up a pixie haircut. Really adds a nice romantic look and overall feel to the style. Absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out a variety of spring hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of longer and shorter styles, so if you are looking to do something different with your hair strands, this video is for you. If you feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this bubble ponytail, great everyday option. And then we have someone with some colored money piece highlights. Wow, this is gorgeous. Great way to rock a pop of color in the forms of bangs, as well as the undercolor trend. She also has a very dramatic layered haircut with this style. Really enhances the color. Beautiful. So next up we have another hair color transformation. Oh, gorgeous copper colored curls, followed by another hairstyle option. So we're seeing a lot of hair accessories this season. We're seeing the tinsel, lots of chain accessories as well. And this is one of the ways that you can wear that chain trend. Such a really cute half up, half down style. And then another accessory that we're seeing this season is the claw clip. Wow, very cool contrasting blonde and black pixie. So they did the split dye trend with that one. And then we have the hair styling of bob haircuts. So she does have bangs in the front with this one. Nice simple half up, half down style. Cute pinned back look. And then we have another hair color option. Wow. Gorgeous ash blonde, beautiful face framing highlights as well. Nice color refresh. We're going to be seeing tons of ash blonde hair colors for the spring season. It's a great way to brighten up some tired strands. And then we have someone adding in some layers to their hair. layered hairstyles are also in for the spring. Wow, she did an amazing job. I love her blonde hair color as well. And then we have a finger wave tutorial. So in the beginning, we started the video with finger waves on a pixie, but if you do have longer hair, you can rock long finger waves as well. This is a very retro 1920s inspired style. So we have a half up, half down style here by Natalie Ann Hair. This would be a really pretty prom hairstyling option as well. So gorgeous. And then we see this gorgeous bit of blue mixed with turquoise, followed by another hair color transformation. Looks like they're going with like a rainbow pastel look. This is definitely spring vibes. Wow, look at that color. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have someone with the undercolor trend. Red highlights mixed in with the black. Gorgeous. I absolutely love this hair color. Such a gorgeous combo. So I hope that you guys were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. I wanted to feature a variety of different styles and looks so that everyone had something to try out this season. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see even more hot hair ideas, you can check out this video next.